Let's learn the ABCs today. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for goat. H is for horse. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for moose. N is for narwhal. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. Q is for quail. R is for rhino. S is for snake. T is for tiger. U is for urchin. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. And those are the animal ABCs.